All right, welcome back. Good to have you here. So how do you price your products? How do you determine, okay, you might be in the product research phase right now and you might be wondering, well, hey, how do I decide which products to jump on, the cheap ones or the expensive ones, all right? So I'm on Amazon right here. Let me just walk you through, right? This, here's a wall-mounted steel shelf. No, it's not a prison bed for, the jailer. It's actually a wall-mounted shelf, right? Selling for 210 bucks, right? That's pretty expensive. It's a pretty reasonably expensive product, right? Then below it, you've got something for 16 bucks. And let me tell you the process to getting something on Amazon, right? You need to find the product, write the headline, write the descriptions, write the bullet points, get the images. You've got to put it all on Amazon, right? There's effort. It takes effort to actually put something on Amazon. It takes a lot of effort, right? Now, let me tell you, it's the exact same effort it takes to list something for 16 bucks, okay, as opposed to $210, right? It's exactly the same effort, all right? You still got to find the images, you still got to write the copy, you still got to stock it in the warehouse, right, on the Amazon warehouse. You still got to create a shipment plan. You still got to do the barcoding, right, which we show you how to go about doing all that stuff anyway. But it's the exact same effort to selling something that sells for 16 bucks or 15 bucks 99 to $210.99. Now let me ask you a question. How much money do you think would you be making more money on the 15 buck product, or would you be making more money on the $210 product, right? It's a good chance you'd be making more money on the $210 product. So that's why I'm a big advocate of not selling products for less than usually 20 bucks, all right? If you're selling a pack of headbands or elastic bands for $5.99, you're not really going to be wildly successful in basically quitting your job or starting a proper side hustle, right? It's not going to really make a substantial return for it to really be worthwhile. So that's why you want to jump on more expensive products. The price range that you focus on is from $30 to $100. That's the bracket. 30 bucks to 100 bucks. That should be the price range that you focus on initially for your first product. Now you could jump on $150 products for your second product, $200 products, $500 products, right? I've seen products for $1,000, right? There's a lot of products out there, but for your first one, 30 bucks to $100, all right? Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to find out more information, check out our links below or give us a call in the office. We are running live events around Australia. We've got one in Sydney next weekend. We've got one on the Gold Coast in 2 weeks. I would love to see you at the Gold Coast workshop. It's a 2-day workshop. You bring your laptops, we find products in the room, we find suppliers in the room, and we also can list products in the room as well. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.